Hi there, welcome to another session of mathematical problem solving. This is Bharat Vidyan from Zipline Academy. So here's an interesting problem for you to solve. Thanks to World of Engineering for designing this and putting it up on Twitter. So find the area of the encompassing square. There are 5 rectangles, 5 different colors, put them all together and you get a square. You need to find the area of that square. So pause the video here, give it a shot, go through the process of a productive struggle. Even if you don't get the answer, doing that will help you appreciate it even more when you know the solution. Alright, welcome back. I hope you gave it your shot. If you found the answer, fantastic. Leave your comments telling how you did it and it will be wonderful. If not, here's how you should proceed. Now, this is not a simple problem. This is a non-routine problem. It's not straightforward. There are not formulas that you can just apply. You could completely get lost in rabbit holes of wrong problem solving. But here's a way in which you could solve it, and I want you to think about it. Now, remember my definition of intelligence, which is knowing the difference between similarities and similarities between differences. You have 5 different rectangles which together comprise the square. What is similar between all of these rectangles? The area is same. That's what's been given in the bottom. All 5 rectangles have the same area. But what else is similar? And if you look at it, not much. They don't share sides excepting green and pink. So I want you to focus on green and pink because that is what I would start with because they share something. Green and pink share a side, which is the base of the rectangle, which I'd like to call this x. Now, if this is x, then you can conclude that the height of both green and pink need to be one and the same. Why? Because the area of green is the same as the area of the pink rectangle. Now, you also see the connection that the height of the yellow rectangle is the sum of the heights of the green and pink, the way it's aligned, which means this is 2h. Now, if the area of the green rectangle is hx and area of the yellow rectangle is equal to the area of the green rectangle, and the area of the yellow rectangle is calculated by multiplying height with base or height with the breadth of the rectangle, you can conclude that this has to be x by 2. Okay, now let's come to the orange one. Between orange and all the others, you'd see that the breadth of the yellow plus the breadth of the green and pink together is the breadth of the orange one, which means x by 2 plus x, which is 3x by 2, is the breadth of the orange rectangle. So now let's come and calculate the area, which is nothing but 2 times 3x by 2. So you can cancel out the 2's, you'll be left with 3x. That's the area of the orange one, which is the same as the green one, which is nothing but x times h. X being common can be cancelled out, leaving h to be equal to 3. Now if h is 3, 2h here has to be 6. So if 2h is 6, then the entire height is 2 plus 6, which is 8. And isn't the height the same as that of the square, the side of the square? Absolutely yes. Which means the area of the square is 8 times 8. 4. This is how you would want to solve this problem. But let's not stop there. I would want you to pause the video here. We know that the area of this particular square is 64. How about you find out what x is? Very simple if you apply yourself. Pause the video, try it out. If not, come back and look at the solution. Okay, I hope you gave it a shot. The solution is quite simple. The area of the orange rectangle you know already is 3x. And this 3x is 1/5 of the area of the square, which is 64 by 5. And therefore, you can conclude that x is nothing but 64 by 15, which would be something like 4 by 15, right? So, some fraction. Okay, I hope you found the problem interesting and the solution insightful. If so, please do share, click subscribe, and leave your comments about how you enjoy this project. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video.